Dear learners, hope you are doing well today. Uh, I'm going to share my experience with you of passing the exam AZ104. I was struggling to pass this exam as I was really new into this cloud technology. But later on, I found a way uh, which helped me to pass a lot of other exams. I'm administrator expert right now, MS365 administrator expert. So after this, I use the same strategy to pass the other exams. So it's a very small three-step strategy, very cost-effective. So I will share with you the guidelines now. So let us start with this. So first, you have to refer an Udemy course. This is the step one. So I used Scott, for example, for AZ104 by Scott Duffy. So you have to select one of the courses in Udemy website, because there are a lot of courses available in the YouTube, but sometimes those uh, once you start referring those videos, you may go astray. So it's better to pay little amount and go for this Udemy course. Second, I will show this step to you. What is the strategy, how I used it. So you have to refer the exam topics and create your own dumps on Excel file. And the third step is like you have to start revising the selected questions which are difficult for you. So you have to filter it through Excel file. It's three basic steps which I followed, and it helped me. So for AZ104, it took me around 3 months, but I cracked it systematically without struggling too much. So let me take you through these steps. So first is Udemy C104. So I use this exam. Sorry, I use these tutorials to refer for this AZ104. It was quite helpful for me. So by referring these videos, you get used to this AZ104, and you get a lot of experience on it. You will get a lot of hands-on experience also. He teaches you the step-by-step processes. So he tells you to create a free account of Azure and then take you to the classes. So it was quite helpful for me. And then after this, you have to go for once you're comfortable, once you learn this Udemy course, then after maybe 10 or 15 days, you start going to this website, exam topics, and select your exam, Microsoft, and it goes down to easy 104, and then go to 104 questions. So these are all these questions are around 253 questions. So when you literally take the exam, is easy 104 exam to Microsoft website, so most of the questions are from this website. So this is very helpful website. But thing is, the answers over here are not 100% right. So you have to go for a discussion and look for the proper answer, and then you have to make your own dumps in Excel file. So I'll show you how I did it for my AZ104. So this is the format which I use for my exam, for my learning. So I used simple label question and topic. So for question one, I just made a small thing, Q1. So just mark it like Q1, and then whatever the answer is, after you learn it, after you get what is the answer, just write it over here and then mention topic one and whatever it is. So as you go forward, then it will change. Topic one will change to topic two. So you'll have a database of your own. So once you finish all the questions, okay, and then you have your own dumps with you, then you start with question one again. Like this will be your first revision. So open your Excel file, create one more tab, which is first revision, okay, and then start revising it. So you can make a adjustment in Excel file like somewhat like this, so that you don't get answer, you don't see the answer. So start referring to the question. For example, this is the question. So since you know the answer, since you have done the learning and everything, so you should guess the answer now, like for this question. Now whatever answer is there, you go and whatever answer you guess it, you mention it or in the first revision, whether you did it successfully or you did not. So if you did it successfully, just click on done, then done. Then question two. So for this question also same strategy applies. So question two. So you don't see the answer over here in Excel file. Okay. So try to get the answer since you have already referred to Udemy classes and also the discussion in the previous attempt. So try to guess the answer, and whatever answer is there, you put it over here. Whatever answer you guess. So in case the answer which you selected was wrong, for example, for this question, the answer is no, and you selected S. So make it as revise. Highlight it as a revise. So this way you go ahead in all the question and make a database like this. So once you finish the first revision, then you have a list of the questions which was difficult for you. So you can filter it and make it like revise. Okay. So whichever questions are were difficult for you, you answer only those questions in your second attempt. So in this way you will shorten your time, and it will make your learning more effective. So this was the strategy I followed, and I did a lot of revisions. For example, the first revision was this, so I followed all the questions which was highlighted in first revision, and even in the first revision, it was some questions I could not answer. Then I use another tab and I filled in that one. So so definitely, when you do the second revision, you'll have less questions unanswered. Sorry, less questions wrongly answered. So then you can go to the second revision tab. Unfortunately, I don't have that filled data here. So you can also mark second revision done or revised. Then accordingly, you can select this as a done or revise. So you'll have a list of questions on each attempt, less less list of questions on each attempt. So this way you'll be able to master this exams, sorry, master these questions. So, and you'll feel confident at the end of the revisions. Maybe after 4 or 5 revisions, you'll feel more confident, and you will see your progress that you are moving towards correct direction. So this helps you to move systematically towards achieving the confidence of going to the exam, because exam is AZ104 will cost you around $165. So this will help you and make you confident so that you can take the exam. So this was my strategy. So it found if it was helpful for you, please like the video and hit the subscribe button, since I will be uploading more videos. Thank you very much.